Department of National Defense, as well as the Civil Military Operations Command, Armed Forces of the Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, mga higala, kapamilya, today is very important, and because of its importance, we have somebody to introduce that guest of honor. And to do that, let me welcome Councilor Pablo G. Labra II.
Mayong buntag kanatong tanan. Akong pangayuhan sa dispensa, ang ato ang mga pinasinunggang dinapit, nga ako na lang ihikling una ang pagpaila kanila aron mo diretso ako sa trabaho nga gihatag kanako karong buntaga. Mao kana ang pagpaila sa ato ang guest of honor and speaker. To the Honorable Mayor Nestor D. Archibal, to our Vice Mayor Tomas Osmeña, my fellow members of the Sangguniang Panglungsod, the different department heads, the different heads of agencies who are here, the officials and employees of the Cebu City Government, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to all of us. As we gather this morning, following yesterday's observance of West Philippine Sea Victory Day, we are reminded that our flag symbolizes our nation's freedom, sovereignty, and the enduring courage of the Filipino people. It also reminds us of our shared responsibility to protect our country's territorial integrity and uphold the rule of law. It is my distinct honor to introduce our guest of honor and speaker, no other than the Secretary of National Defense of the Republic of the Philippines. He is a distinguished lawyer, statesman, and public servant. As Secretary of National Defense, he continues to lead the country's efforts in strengthening national security, modernizing the armed forces of the Philippines, and enhancing disaster preparedness and safeguarding our nation's sovereignty. His presence today is especially meaningful as we reaffirm our commitment to patriotism, unity, and service to our country. Mga kaigsunan ko, please join me in welcoming the Honorable Gilberto Gibo C. Teodoro Jr., the Secretary of National Defense.
Thank you very much for the kind introduction to our good friend, Councilor Pablo Paul G. Labra, and thank you for being our host this morning. With the respects to our Mayor, the Honorable Nestor D. Archibal, the Honorable Vice Mayor, former Mayor and Congressman, the Honorable Tomas Osmeña, members of the Sangguniang Panlungsod, senior officers of the Armed Forces and the Police, led by Lieutenant General Fernando M. Reyeg, fellow public servants, workers in the city of Cebu, barangay chairpersons, ladies and gentlemen, mayong buntag kanatong tanan.